Hey there friends, I'm back again with a new tutorial video. In this video, I will teach you how to share a Google document. Making collaboration and sharing your work is very easy. So to begin, open the Google document you want to share and make sure your document is ready to be seen by others. And then look up at the top right corner of your screen and you'll see a blue button labeled as Share. Now give it a click and a sharing settings window will pop up. So in the sharing settings window, you'll see a box where you can add email addresses. This one. So type in the email addresses of the people you want to share the document with. So for example, let's say and then we will choose this one. So you can add a message here and you can also edit the permission by clicking this one. So you want this email to be as a viewer, commenter, or editor. So let's go back. And then you can also copy this link directly and send it to the person you want to share the document. So you just have to click this one, anyone with the link, and then copy this link and then send to the person you want to share the document with. And now that you're all set, that's it. You now know how to share a Google document for seamless collaboration and sharing. Thank you for learning with me today. Once again, thank you for watching how to share a Google document. See you on my next video.